Hello, it's 7 p.m. Just got back home from work. Feeling a little overwhelmed by life today. Everything was triggering me. I was in a bad mood. I felt very anxious. The week is starting a little rough. But I'm going to eat a good dinner. Maybe have a glass of wine. I pray that the rest of the week is easier. I know these meals are always the same and it seems so boring, but honestly, something that's been really helping me is keep it simple, stupid. Keep it simple. Just got home from work. My eyes are like this because I'm having a midlife crisis. I'm going to see a concert with Claudia tonight, so I'm going to keep some calories for drinks. And I'm going to try to make a very healthy dinner very quickly with some tofu, some rice, kimchi, edamame, something simple. And don't worry, I'll be fine. This is the face of a millennial that survived pandemic living alone that feels far away from her family. So I have these little moments every once in a while. So let's make dinner quickly before I go to the concert. Back, it's 11 p.m. The concert was phenomenal. I had 2 glasses of wine and now I'm ready for a good night's sleep and to start fresh tomorrow and just be better. I'll be better tomorrow. Hello, it's 11 a.m. I'm working from home today. It feels nice to slow down and the tofu was delicious this morning and I'm not even hungry and it's 11 a.m. Yeah, slow day. It's cooling down in Montreal, which I adore. I'm so happy about. I am a fall and winter person. So yeah, that's the update. Good morning. 2 weeks from starting and I'm at SAT 239 this morning. So that's very encouraging, very cool. So happy to be out of the 240s. This morning, I'm creating zucchini. So we're making zucchini and eggs for breakfast. Butt naked in my kitchen, because why not? Because I can and I'm feeling better. For lunch today, I'm going to get a Vietnamese soup. I call it pho, I think you say it pho. Anyways, it's so delicious. And there's a restaurant like 5 minutes away. They make the best one. I always get extra beef, no bean sprouts. And I just enjoy it so much. And today I'm getting that for lunch. morning for Friday, and I woke up with the craving. Yogurt, granola, and fruits. I want a yogurt parfait. So I'm gonna head to the grocery store, get some ingredients, and do that for breakfast because I really need freshness right now and sweet, and yeah. The traffic is insane.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
I've been in a really weird mood all week, and this video was probably very boring, and I apologize. All I did for the past few days is just film the food and hope I fit under 1,800 calories because I've been really unmotivated and just uninspired. And I think that it's real life, you know, so that happens, but I'm in a weird moment right now of my life. I'm in a weird place. So I'm sorry if this week was a little more, let's say, tasteless, just a little bit of spice, but hopefully next week things are better. I am at my parents' house this weekend. I needed to be with my family, and I'm babysitting my brother Joseph tonight, so I'm having early dinner by myself, watch a movie, then give him a bath. It's quiet Saturday night to ease the soul. I'm not super proud of myself this week because honestly, some days I was just riding the wave and hoping I would be under 1,800. I didn't put conscious effort into my goal. I am down 4 pounds, so that's really good. So I think it's a slow and steady progress, but I wish I felt prouder of this week. On Friday, I kind of gave up, didn't do my best this week. So next week, I have a work event where we're having a sales meeting. It's going to be 3 days at a cottage, and I'm going to be stricter with myself. No alcohol, eating smaller portions, because I really, really want to have my goal be a priority within all the festivities and the time with other people. A gloomy week, but hope for the next one. And thank you for following along once again. I've chosen the challenge for next month. It will involve a lot of squats, a lot of push-ups, and a lot of plank. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, don't hesitate. And this is how to get in the lobster boat, September challenge edition.